Hello my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to share all the question answers and objectives of class 10th Hindi chapter Kashmiri Save written by Prem Chand. The explanation of the same I have already uploaded. So let's start. First main, एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in one sentences. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लेखक चीजें खरीदने कहाँ गए थे? आंसर, लेखक चीजें खरीदने चौक में गए थे. इट मीन्स वेयर डिड द राइटर गो टू बाय द थिंग्स? द राइटर वेंट टू एन ओपन एरिया मार्केट टू बाय थिंग्स. सेकेंड वन, लेखक को क्या नजर आया? लेखक को रंगदार गुलाबी सेब नजर आए. इट मीन्स what did the writer see? Answer is the writer saw colorful red apple in a shop. Third one, लेखक का जी क्यों ललचा उठा? रंगदार गुलाबी सेब देखकर लेखक का जी ललचा उठा. It means why did writer's mouth start watering? Writer's mouth started watering by seeing colorful red apples. Next, fourth one, टोमेटो किसका आवश्यक अंग बन गया है? टोमेटो भोजन का आवश्यक अंग बन गया है. इट मीन्स what importance does tomato have? Tomato has become an important part of food. Now fifth one, स्वाद में सेब किससे बढ़कर नहीं है? स्वाद में सेब आम से बढ़कर नहीं है. It means the taste of apple is not better than which fruit? So answer is the taste of apple is not better than mango. Now the sixth question, रोज एक सेब खाने से किनकी ज़रूरत नहीं होगी? रोज एक सेब खाने से डॉक्टरों की ज़रूरत नहीं होगी. It means what does an apple a day keeps you away from? So answer is taking an apple a day will keep you from doctor away. So here first main is over and the second main is दो तीन वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. It means answer in 2-3 sentences. The first question is आजकल शिक्षित समाज में किसके बारे में विचार किया जाता है? So it means today in this educated world about what people think or discuss. So let us see the answer. आजकल शिक्षित समाज में खान पान को लेकर काफ़ी विचार किया जा रहा है. जैसे पहले टोमेटो को लोग पसंद नहीं करते थे, अब विटामिन और प्रोटीन से भरे पदार्थों को लेना पसंद कर रहे हैं, जिसमें टोमेटो खाने का आवश्यक अंग बन गया है. गाजर का हलवा जो सिर्फ अमीर लोग खाते थे, अब सभी लोग खाना पसंद कर रहे हैं. अगर सेब की बात करें तो वह भी सब लोग लेने लगे हैं. इस प्रकार लोग अपने खान-पान का काफ़ी ख़याल रखने लगे हैं. Now this answer means that in today's educated world, people are cautious of their health. In earlier days, when people were uneducated, they were not knowing the importance of food. But now, when they came to know that protein and vitamin rich foods are good for their health, they have switched to tomatoes, which have become an integral part of their food, means important part of their food. Carrot also contains good amount of vitamin because of which everyone has started taking it, be it rich or poor, doesn't matter. As far as apple is concerned, no doubt it gives maximum energy to our body. So in this way, people have switched to healthy diet. I hope you understood this answer. Now the second one, दुकानदार ने लेखक से क्या कहा? What did the shopkeeper ask the writer? आंसर, दुकानदार ने लेखक से कहा कि बाबूजी बड़े मज़ेदार सेब आए हैं, खास कश्मीर से. यह खाकर आपकी तबीयत खुश हो जाएगी. घर ले जाइए, सब लोग को खिलाइए और आनंद लीजिए. Now, this means the shopkeeper asked the writer to purchase the colorful apples which have specially arrived from Kashmir. He said, take the apples home and enjoy it. I hope this answer is also clear. Now, the third one. दुकानदार ने अपने नौकर से क्या कहा? What did the shopkeeper ask his worker? आंसर. दुकानदार ने अपने नौकर से कहा कि आधा सेर कश्मीरी सेब चुन चुन कर लाओ और बाबूजी को खुश कर दो. It means shopkeeper asked his worker to bring selected approximately half kg apple so that the writer becomes happy. Now the fourth question. सेब की हालत के बारे में लिखिए. Write about the condition of the apple. Answer is रंगदार गुलाबी सेब देखकर लेखक ललचा गए और 4 सेब घर ले आए. अगली सुबह जब वे खाने के लिए सेब निकाले तो देखा एक सेब गला तो दूसरा सड़ा और तीसरा पिचका निकला. चौथे में तो काला सुराख था, जैसे अक्सर बेरों में पाया जाता है. एक भी सेब खाने लायक नहीं थे. दुकानदार दुकानदार ने लेखक को लूट लिया था. Now here you have to explain the condition of the apple. So the answer will be see here when the writer brought 4 colorful apples, he thought to have it in breakfast. So in next morning, when he took the first apple to eat, he saw it was ripe. He thought that the shopkeeper wouldn't have seen it. So when he took the second apple, that was rotten, and third, it was mashed. And last apple had a black hole, same like as you see in berry. So none of the apple was good to eat. So the writer came to know that shopkeeper had cheated him. I hope this answer is clear. So here first and second main is completed. Now the third main is जोड़ कर लिखिए, which means match up, match the following. First, सेब को रुमाल में बांध कर मुझे दे दिया. It means he wrapped the apples in handkerchief and gave it to the writer. Second, फल खाने का समय तो प्रातःकाल. Best time to have fruit is in morning. Third, एक सेब भी खाने लायक नहीं. None of the apples were good to eat. And the last one is व्यापारियों की साख बनी हुई थी. It means the credibility of the merchants was maintained. Now, credibility means the quality of being trusted. In earlier days, people used to trust the shopkeepers, businessmen, because they were very loyal to their customers. But in nowadays, you cannot find such businessmen and shopkeepers. So now the fourth main is विलोम शब्द लिखिए. विलोम शब्द means opposite. शाम सुबह means evening, morning. खरीदना बेचना, to buy, to sell. बहुत कम, many, less. अच्छा बुरा, good, bad. शिक्षित अशिक्षित, educated, uneducated. आवश्यक अनावश्यक, necessary, unnecessary. गरीब अमीर, poor, rich. रात दिन, night, day. संदेह निसंदेह, doubt, doubtless. साफ गंदा, clean, dirty. बेईमान ईमान, dishonest, honest. विश्वास अविश्वास, believable, unbelievable. सहयोग असहयोग, cooperative, non cooperative. हानि लाभ, harmful, profitable. पास दूर, near, far. And the last one, gum खुशी, unhappy, happy. So now let's move on to the next main. Fifth main, Anurupta. Now this heading Anurupta, it means according to the first pair, you have to solve the second pair. See, you can see here, Kela, Pila Rang, Seb, Gulabi Rang. It means if banana is yellow color, then apple is red color. So answer is red color. Then second one, Seb, Fal, Gajar, Tarkari. If apple is a fruit, then carrot is a vegetable. Third one, Nagpur, Santra, Kashmir, Seb. If Nagpur is famous for orange, then Kashmir is famous for apple. And fourth one, Kapda, Napna, tomato, Tolna. If dress is measured, we say Napna. And if tomato is measured, we say Tolna. I hope you understood this main. Now the next main is Anya Vachan Likhiye. It means you have to write another word for these words. Cheeze, cheese. Rasta, raste. Fal, fal. Ghar, ghar. रुपए, रुपया. आंखें, आंख. कर्मचारी, कर्मचारी वर्ग. व्यापारी, व्यापारी वर्ग. रेवड़ी, रेवड़ियां. दुकान, दुकानें. Now the next main is प्रत्येक शब्द के अंतिम अक्षर से एक और शब्द बनाइए. Here this heading means you have to write word with last letter of previous word. You can see the example, you will come to know. Save. See, in save the last letter is B. So you have to write a letter with B. Here it is bandar, and in bandar the last letter is r, so you have to start a word with r, which is rang. Any word you can write. Then here in rang the last letter is g, so here it is written garam. Let us see the first one. Dukan. In dukan the last letter is n, so you have to start a word with n. Nagpur. In Nagpur, the last letter is R. So you have to start a word with R, which is Rat. In Rat, the last letter is T. So here Tota. So in this way, all the four is solved. Bazar, Rakshak, Kan, Nam. Third one, Rumal, Lal, Labh, Bhavna. Fourth one, Lekhak, Kala, then Lak, then Khana. It is very easy to solve. You can write any word of your choice. Now the eighth main is निम्नलिखित वाक्यों को सही क्रम में लिखिए. Here you have to rearrange the jumble words and make a proper sentence. See, if you read the question here, गाजर गरीबों भी पहले के पेट की चीज भरने थी. You don't understand what is written because here proper sentence, it is not written in a proper sentence. So you have to arrange it properly. So the answer is गाजर भी पहले गरीबों के पेट भरने की चीज थी. Carrots were used by poor people to fill their stomach. And second one, अब चीज नहीं है वह केवल स्वाद की. Answer will be, after arranging these words, you will get अब वह केवल स्वाद की चीज नहीं है. Now it is not only the matter of taste. Like this you have to solve it. Then third one is नहीं लायक खाने भी सेब एक. Answer will be एक सेब भी खाने लायक नहीं. None of the apple was fit to eat. And fourth one, मालूम हुई घर आकर अपनी भूल. घर आकर अपनी भूल मालूम हुई. After coming home, he realized his mistake. So this main is also over. Next main and the last main of this chapter is कन्नड़ अथवा अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद कीजिए. You have to translate either in Kannada or in English. So here I have written in English only. If you know Kannada, you can write in Kannada also. First is गाजर भी पहले गरीबों के पेट भरने की चीज थी. If you translate in English, it will be in earlier days, carrot was also poor people's food. Second one, दुकानदार ने कहा बड़े मजेदार सेब आए हैं. Answer will be shopkeeper said amazing apples have come. Third one, एक सेब भी खाने लायक नहीं. None of the apple was good to eat. Fourth one, दुकानदार ने मुझसे क्षमा मांगी. The shopkeeper asked for forgiveness. So here we complete all the question answers and objectives of this chapter. I hope you understood all the mains. And if you like my video, do hit the like button and do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.